Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about a minute, so I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I am looking to buy at 150, so I'm watching that number over there, and I want to see it drop down to 150, and then see this line over here go from white to green. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy, and I am doing options here. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, give you a solid foundation to which you can build from. I know sometimes people are intimidated by options, and they can be made very complicated, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward, simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more just straightforward, cut to the chase type manner, then I'm confident you'll find value in that guide. So again, just comment below option guide, and I will link that to you. All right, well, I thought it might have been getting close to potentially allowing me to buy, but not right now. So I will pause for now, and I'll be back if it looks like it gets closer to potentially filling me. All right, I have an order at 150 here for a put. No. Change strike prices there. Here, I'll go to 150. Should have held strong. I don't know if I'd have been filled, but I'm speaking in hindsight right now anyways, because had the thing exploded up, I'd have been saying, I should have adjusted that order. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for a call here at 165. All right, let's go to 160 now. I might have missed it. Change it to 155. See if it wants to come down a little bit more. Again, watching this number over here. I'm going to want that white line to turn green. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm at 160. All right, gonna have to cancel that out now at this point. Go down to 150. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for a put here at 158. Oh wow, didn't fill me. I thought that was for sure gonna be a quick fill. Maybe that was a good thing here. I don't know. Let's see. Try 155. Nope, not filling me there either. All right. I'll pause. All right, I am in at 158 here for a put. Get in at 158. For a put. See what it wants to do here. And out for $1,100 loss on that one. Just didn't care straight up. So finally got filled, and then that's where it led me. But that's the kind of market we've essentially been in right now. All right, I'll pause. All right, I am in at 155 here for a put. And out for $500 scalp on that one. Very good. All right. And I should note, I was not trying to get it all back in one trade. I highly advise against doing that. I've done that before. You take a loss and you're like, I'm going to get that all back on this next trade. And then before you know it, you're like, wow, that escalated quickly. That hole's a whole lot bigger. And yeah, so does it work? Sometimes it does, but from experience, it can also work the other way too. So just want to take the trade and, put the 500 in my pocket. So, all right, I will pause. Going to try for one here at 162. Nope, not filling me. Maybe I'll try that again. It looks like I missed that opportunity. I don't know if I would have gotten a trade anyways, but all right, I'll pause. I'm going to try for put here at 159. Nope, not filling me. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for put here at 155. Nope, not filling me there. All right, I'll pause. All right, I am in at 153 for a call. See what it wants to do here. And out for 350 on that one. Tried for 700, but wasn't quite going my way. At least I don't think it was going my way. So I just decided to go into loss control mode. But as you see there, loss control mode does not mean you're going to take a loss. I still made 350 on it. But again, I was going for 700. And maybe have been wrong. As of now, I'm feeling very good about it as the price is coming down even more. I need to stop talking to potentially look to make another trade here. But yeah, so had to decide, all right, not looking like 700 is not going to happen. Lost control mode, went for 350, and I got 350. But as you saw on the earlier one, lost control mode definitely resulted in a loss of that $1,100. But lost control mode does not always mean that you're going to have a loss. Sometimes it just means you have to settle for, at least within my strategy, it just means you have to settle for less than what you're actually going for. So, all right. So 350 on that one. I'm now down 250 on the day. I'll pause, and if this thing wants to come down some more, I'd be interested at this line down here for another call. But as you can see here, it's got a bit of a ways to go, but we'll see if it can make its way down there. I'll pause. And I will definitely say I made the right call to, just take the loss control mode on that one, because had I, been stubborn and tried to still go for that 700, that would definitely have been a loss for sure. So, and sometimes in hindsight, you're like, I was wrong. And this time in hindsight's telling me, yep, you definitely played that one very, very wisely. All right, I am trying to buy at 165 if this thing wants to come down some more. So we'll see what happens. I'll pause, but because I know in plenty of videos, I sit there and, I was wrong. I should have done. But in this case, nope. Hindsight has proven to be, make me feel good about myself on this one. But as traders, we've all been there where hindsight will make you feel foolish. But on this one, hey, I'm very pleased with how I played that. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 152 here for a call. All right, I will pause. All right, going to try for one here at 170. And did not fill me. That needed to be a relatively quick fill, or I needed to cancel, and I gave it a few seconds with no fill, so never mind. All right, so that's where I'll end on the day at down 250. So if you've watched past videos, that's nothing that can't be overcome. In fact, it could be quite easily overcome in a single trade. So yeah, that first trade was not the most pleasant of things, but at the end of the day, that's why you got to just cut the loss, keep it under control. And today, some days I'll get back to green. Today was not one of those days, but I feel just fine about being down 250. So red days happen. That's part of it. If you appreciate the transparency, if you appreciate me just throwing these sorts of days out there, then, hit that like button. And as always, if you're not yet a subscriber, if you're looking for a way to just support the channel in a very easy type of way, hitting that subscribe button really does go a long way. So, and one more time, if you do want to learn more about options, then comment below option guide and I will link you to that guide. So thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.